a political consultant, you would find yourself in a position where you have to find a result of a certain assembly. So, do you go on Wikipedia? It's an outdated way of finding results. The problem of Wikipedia is it doesn't update in real time. Second, it only has the name of first 3 or 4 contenders. Third, it doesn't give you the history of that assembly. So, my go to website for finding those results is indiavotes.com. Let me quickly give you a tour on how you can find a result of an assembly in detail. Let's go. Let's type in India votes. Yes. So, this is the website indiavotes.com. If I want to find a result of an assembly called as Andheri West in Maharashtra state, let us see. I'll go to Maharashtra. Then which year I want to go to? Let's go for the latest one, 2024. Okay, go. So it will give you an overall snapshot, like how many seats BJP won, their vote share, some overview data, and let's type in our assembly. The interface is pretty clean. Andheri West. Okay. So yeah, it gives me information of all the 8 candidates. In Wikipedia, it will only give me the top 2 candidates. So if we want to find Lok Sabha results, for example, I want to find Nitin Gadkari's constituency. Let's see, 2024, Maharashtra. Go. TC name is Nagpur. Straightforward. Here we are. Okay, Nitin Gadkari ji, and second is Vikas Thakre. So it gives me information of all these 26 candidates. Sometimes as a consultant, you might want to know these candidates, how much votes they received. Please let me know if this video helped you to save a couple of minutes. Do like and subscribe if you want more relevant content. Thank you.